Why another G? Wasn't 4G good enough? Well, it was, but not for the new era that closely approaches the era of IoT and 5G. Have you ever experienced that when many phones are together that use the same carrier service, like at a concert or a sport event, the internet becomes slow? This is because many people are using the same network and there is too much data for things to be smoothly held. Now, with the era of IoT or the Internet of Things, machines like your daily appliances, TVs, cars, scooters, pet watchers, everything is connected to the internet. This can cause similar problems where everything is slowed down. Here steps in 5G. 5G uses technology that offers more devices to be connected at the same time without decreasing speed. 5G also offers faster speed with a theoretical maximum of 20 Gbps. 5G also offers lower latencies, which can be vital when dealing with accident prevention in smart cars. Both speed and latency have been covered by me in these two videos, so go check them out. Link in description. A shortcoming of the technology will be that due to the new frequency that is being used, the range of mobile towers will become smaller, leading to the need of more towers to be connected, leading to cost and legal and safety implications. Another complication is that the frequency used by 5G is also used by other services like satellite communication and GPS, and overlap needs to be carefully avoided to prevent random disconnections. We think of 5G as being a technology of the future. It was a few years ago, but now it is pretty much knocking at our doorsteps. South Korea has had 5G for more than a year as it was launched on 1st December 2018 for select areas only. Other countries like Japan, India, USA, UAE and many more will join the effort and make 5G available throughout the respective countries. We will have to wait and see what will happen upon global coverage of 5G, but I know that we have some interesting times ahead of us. Speaking of interesting, if you want interesting scientific videos, subscribe down below, click the bell icon and set the setting to all notifications so as to never miss a video from Beginner Science. And please like, share and comment, stay home and stay safe.